So hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss about a command called time. We have already discussed about the date command which will show the date and time. So what's the use of time? If you enter time and hit the key, it will show real time usage and system. What is this? So time is a command you have to run with some other command like df-h. It will show how much time is being consumed by df-h command to show the output. So within 15 millisecond we have got the output, but if some command is going to take time like find slash hyphen name alpha, okay, it's a time consuming thing or it might not get complete. So I want to know how much time is taking to complete the search. So at the end of the search it will show like this much time is being consumed by the find command. So this much time, okay, and uses as this much and system use 959 seconds. Okay, you got the thing. If I do search for Amit, might be it will get complete soon. It got slash Amit. Okay, so 3 seconds it has consumed, 3 seconds and 570 milliseconds, and usage is 224 seconds. System uses 687 use. Okay, so that's how you can calculate how much time it is consuming. So where it is useful when we are transferring a file from one location to another, okay, and we are not sure how much time it will say, like vi slash cp slash te might be and te21. It's shown completed, but if I want to do time, it took 4 milliseconds only. Okay. So that's how, like if you want to check how much time is being consumed by that particular command, you can run before that thing time and it will give you the time, like what's the uses, how much time it has taken to complete that thing. Like what command we are having, time ping, okay, google.com. It might not go out, but okay, it's pinging, it won't come out until unless I press Ctrl C to terminate. But as soon as I press Ctrl C, I got 7 seconds 597 milliseconds actually uses. Okay, so that's how you can use the time command. It's showing time also here, this many millisecond. Okay, so this is useful in some cases, like you are doing the live testing and you want to know the current like how much time is being consumed by this particular command, because some people used to say when I'm running a command it's taking time, it's a time consuming, it's not, it should run as like df-h. Output is coming as soon as I hit the enter key, but sometime if server is slow it will respond late. So that time user will say, "Arey, my df command is taking time." Okay, so you can run with the time command and you'll come to know it's taking time or not. Okay, so that's all for the today's video. Today we have learned about the time command. For more you can learn for main time. Okay, see, I have already told you there is a description options are available. Okay, but we are not using option, we are using the just time command with the other command to know the time consumed by that command. Okay, so that's all for the today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Goodbye.